Hi friends, today we are making roselle juice. Roselle is the common name for Hibiscus subterifa. It is also commonly known as Jamaica and red sorrel. Don't mistake roselle for the common hibiscus flower. Many people make this mistake because of the name. This is how roselle looks like. Roselle has many proven health benefits. You can check the article in the description below for the findings on roselle drink. Roselle is also a good source of nutrients including calcium, magnesium and potassium. We use fresh roselle calyxes to make juice. First we need to wash the roselle to remove dust and any insects. Then cut the stem of the calyx. Now we can remove the seeds. We are left with the calyx that comes off very easily. Leave the seeds aside for your garden. Place the roselle calyxes in water and bring to a boil. Once the water boils, lower the heat and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Let's look at our roselle. Most of the ruby red color has been extracted into the water. Allow the roselle drink to cool down. Then we can remove the calyxes. Keep this for your compost. They can also be used for making jams. We will strain the juice into a jug. The roselle juice is ready to drink. We can keep this juice in the fridge for up to 5 days. The juice can also be frozen for longer shelf life. Roselles have a sour taste like cranberries. They are often compared to cranberries and are used for urinary infections too. Add some sugar or sweetener to counter the sour taste, or just drink it as you would drink cranberry juice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!